Thank you for joining our YouTube account or the YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to go about fixing the search issue with your iPhone notes. So if you're searching for specific things in your notes, your iPhone notes, and it is not being displayed, just follow the steps in this video. It takes less than should be less than a minute to be able to complete this process. So before we begin, to support this channel, could you please go below this video and touch on the subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like these. And also you want to touch on the like button. We appreciate it. Thank you. So if you have an issue with your iPhone notes, you want to go over to your settings. I'm in my settings right now. I can't really display my full name because of some privacy reasons. So I'm in the settings and I touch on the search bar right there. So on the search bar, you have the space to begin typing. You want to type in account, as you can see, account, just without S. And then, I'm sorry, guys, 1 second. All right, account. All right. And then when you want to touch on account and touch on notes, you find notes. You want to touch on the default area. As you can see, the default account, you want to touch on that. Touch on default, and you want to change it. Mine was on iCloud, and I moved it from iCloud to Gmail, and I went back over to the notes. So you move, if you find your default account on iCloud settings, you want to move it over to Gmail and go back. After you go back, you want to just close your notes and then reopen your notes and try your search, and it should work. Thank you once again. Please remember to subscribe to the channel for more videos. We will be making a lot of videos that will help you to solve problems. Thank you.